Hello, welcome to Wimmera Healthcare Group. I'm Catherine, the CEO, and I'm so pleased that you're joining us as a new team member. I'm just going to spend a little bit of time telling you about our vision, our purpose, our values and our strategic plan. Wimmera Healthcare Group is the sub-regional health service of the Wimmera region, and we offer some unique services for the region. We've got the subacute rehabilitation unit, we've got the only maternity service and the emergency department as well as our amazing cancer centre that opened a year ago. We've got 5 values that we expect every team member to display. And values are intrinsic things that are part of us. We get our own values from the way our mum and dad brought us up and what we had as life experiences. But when we were going through the process, we came up with 5 that we thought most people would understand and have a definition of. And when we had 140 people help us design this strategic plan, they said the first value that had to be reflected in every way that we worked was kindness. Team members have told us that the most important value that they wished us to understand and to display is kindness, because we're dealing with people who are scared and vulnerable and perhaps coming to live in their last home, and that can be a daunting experience. And all of the people that we care for, what they remember most is how we made them feel. So remember to smile, be kind and understand what's important to that person, and then you will make a difference to their life and improve their health and wellbeing. Our second value is respect, and that's where we're trying to recognise and value everyone who walks through our door, whatever their background or their needs are. And so it is about understanding the needs of that person and treating them with kindness and humility and working with them to provide a service that meets their needs. And so you will hear from Steve, the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Liaison Officer. You'll see gender neutral toilets. You'll have more understanding about how to support people with mental health and drug and alcohol so that we can truly provide a respectful service to all our community members and respect their individual choices and needs. Integrity is a value that really aligns with my personal values. Integrity is about every person doing their job to the best standard that they can do it at. And when we do that, we'll continue to provide exceptional care and services to our community members. If you don't know what to do, you need to ask for help. We've got people who can help you. But the expectation is that everyone does their job and does it to a high standard. Our fourth value is learning. And learning is because we can't work in isolation. We have to work in partnership and collaboration with other health services and other providers of care to support us to improve the health and wellbeing of our community members. So we have a range of partners that we have with other health services, Ballarat Health Services, services down in Melbourne, but we're also working in partnership with universities to ensure that we continue to learn about evidence-based practices and put them into action so that we are continually improving the health and wellbeing of our community. Our fifth value is courage. And that's where we as team members have to reflect on our practices and see if we can improve how we do our job and how we could do it better, but also accept feedback from our community members about the quality of the service we've provided. And is there anything that we could have improved? Because that's what's going to help us to continue to provide exceptional care and services to our community to improve their wellbeing. I'm in the beautiful cancer centre, which supports people living with cancer, living with renal disease, and also offers our palliative care services. It's a beautiful building. But I'm here to talk about the goal, You Matter, which is our most important goal. It's about the person in the bed, which is the bed in our health service, the bed in our residential care, or the bed in their home, and how we have to work together to improve their health and wellbeing. Things you can do is smile, be nice, engage with the person, find out what's important to them, treat them with kindness and respect. And if we do that, we will be able to improve their health and wellbeing. Here's the beautiful Wimmera River, which is about 5 minutes walk away from the Horsham campus. And I'm here to talk about Wimmera, which is the goal about us as team members, which is about that we need to keep ourselves safe and also improve our health and wellbeing. So things you can do as a team member is have some exercise, undertake some exercise, have breaks, go on annual leave, eat well, give up smoking, but also treat each other with kindness and respect and be a good team member. See if you can help, see if you can make the world a better place, because when we work well with team members, when we enjoy work, we certainly improve the health and wellbeing of our community members, and that's why we're here. I'm in the Arapiles building, which is where we provide a huge range of services with the primary and allied health team to support our community members to keep well. But I'm here to talk about the goal, Every Voice Matters, because that is about that we can't work in isolation to ensure the health and wellbeing of our community. We have to look at partnerships and collaboration with other service providers, with researchers and universities, and with the community members themselves telling us how we can improve our health and services. Things you can do is you can gather feedback from our community members and use that to improve the quality of the care you provide. Be part of our projects that we're having and working in partnership with researchers and other partners. And also be part of projects that we're undertaking in collaboration with Wimmera Southern Valley Health Alliance, universities, other health service providers, and undertake education and grow and develop yourself, because that will help us to improve the health and wellbeing of our community. One of our goals is things that matter, and that's about all the infrastructure, the IT and our financial situation, and what we have to do as team members to ensure that we progress on our strategic goal. We're in the kitchen and they produce 800 meals on average a day. They're really busy. Things that you can do as a team member is that you can tell us when equipment's not working, you can look after it properly and make sure it's cleaned and serviced appropriately. You can make sure you can log into your IT account with your own remember your password, because that would help our IT team. Another great thing every team member can do is be energy conscious. Turn off lights, air conditionings, that all saves money and helps us on our plan. And also think about waste. If you buy it, we have to buy it, that costs us money, but then we also have to dispose of the waste. So please don't waste anything and be as environmentally friendly as you possibly can be. Meeting new team members is really, really important to me because you are the life of our organisation. I'm really sorry I can't be here today but that's the way life is. But I want to welcome you to Wimmera Healthcare Group, and I want to tell you that my office is just near the cafe, and if you ever want to drop in and say hello, I'd love to meet you and talk about how you're contributing to Wimmera Healthcare Group. In 2020, I'm looking for joy every day, and there is joy at Wimmera Healthcare Group. So I encourage you to find the great things, make them better, have some fun and enjoy work, because it's a great place to be. Good luck.